Habang busy ako sa paghahanda ng ating kakaibang fusion ng fish curry na may custardy consistency, ang isa sa mga favorite nating food explorers naman na si Cheska Fausto, bumisita naman sa Bonifacio Global City sa Taguig para balikan ang isa sa mga paborito niyang Instagrammable at very artsy na coffee places. Cheska, where have you been?
Hi, Food Explorers! Naku, ngayon nandito tayo sa BaristArt Cafe dito sa BGC at kasama ko nga ngayon ang chef nila na si Chef Ardo. Yes, ayun chef. Okay, let's talk about BaristArt.
Yeah.
So, why do you think it's called BaristArt?
So it's from Japan, and then our master barista Yuki thought of like most of the coffee shops or the cafes specialize in their beans.
Oh.
And then, so he thought of a concept that to specialize on Hokkaido Milk. So that's how it started. And then, so with the name BaristArt, since he's a master barista, like it's his profession, so that's where the barista comes from. And then the art, he puts his artistry into the, yes. And then start means like to start his passion project.
Isa sa mga pinagmamalaki ng BaristArt Coffee ang paggamit nila ng Hokkaido Milk na hindi mo typical na matitikman sa ibang mga cafes.
It's more creamy.
Mas creamy siya.
So it really complements our coffee. So since our coffee has a really strong flavor, the creaminess from the Hokkaido Milk complements it well.
And to appreciate Hokkaido Milk better, syempre dapat tikman ang mga specialty nila sa BaristArt Coffee.
First, you can start with our cream puff.
Cream puff. Best-selling cream
Yes, the
puff.
best-selling
Ayan.
cream puff. It's made with our Hokkaido milk, so the rich, creamy filling inside.
Oh my gosh!
What's your first time trying this one?
Yes, it's my first time trying
Oh.
it. Ang sarap!
So here, we make it on the spot. So it's heated before filled.
Okay.
Yeah.
Heated before
Yeah.
it's filled.
That's why you kind of wait for a while before it's served to you because it's freshly made, yeah.
Also so light and
Yeah.
fluffy and creamy.
And it's not nakakaumay. Yeah.
Perfect. Ang sarap. Highly recommend this. So this is their Hokkaido carbonara.
Carbonara. It's served with an onsen egg on top, the picnic bacon, and grana padano here.
Oh, may runny egg yolk pa siya.
So you can see how creamy it is.
Ang sarap! No, I'm not even kidding. Ang creamy niya nga.
So it's also made with our Hokkaido milk.
Ah. Sea salt latte nila. Ito yung favorite ko. So what I do is that mini-mix ko to.
And you can sip everything.
Grabe. When we say creamy BaristArt coffee, yeah.
Here we have our big breakfast. It's served with bacon, sausage, scrambled egg, and our potato crunchies.
Ayan, this is the sausage.
Yes, the Japanese sausage.
Japanese ako. Even if Japanese Hokkaido inspired siya and all that, pero pasok pa rin sa panlasang Pinoy eh.
Yeah.
Oo, as in perfect talaga siya. Kaya, bongga. I highly recommend. Ayan. Siyempre, ang
So this
ating...
is our seasonal flavor, banana caramel. So this is made with a banana compote, and then our signature cream. Yeah. We had the same reaction. Like when I first tried it too.
Grabe ha! Kasi dito, it's like plain, it's like light and
Yeah.
fluffy. Mga ka-food explorers, eto times 2.
Yeah.
Meron silang matcha latte
Yeah.
nila dito at nakikita nyo naman, oh.
So we put art into everything.
Correct. Ang cute. Siyempre, titikman ko ito. Totoong matcha.
Yeah.
Legit na matcha siya.
And there's a huge market for matcha people right now. So if you're looking for matcha, you can check out BaristArt too.
May added bonus pa kasi may crash course sa latte art pang binigay kay Cheska.
Actually, nasa bucket list ko ito na yung mag-latte art. O, kabog kayo dyan. Pero eto na nga, gagawin na namin. At kasama ko si...
Darrell.
Ayan. Guys, nakagawa ako ng heart. Pero maliit lang siya for now. But still, it's a heart. Thank you, Daryl.
These are just some of the food that we had Cheska try. But our menu is really wide still, so there are still a lot of things for you to try. You can visit us here in BGC, and we also have another branch in Green Hills Mall. You can check us out.
Sa pagpapatuloy ng city food adventure ng food explorer natin si Cheska Fausto, dadalhin naman niya tayo sa isang very European dining experience. Yung tipong mafe-feel mo ang vibe ng Venice. Habang nag-e-enjoy ng Spanish at Italian-inspired na mga pagkain sa Tony and Sergio.
So, Tony and Sergio, this restaurant, you have an indoor dining and you also have the outdoors as well, right? So, what is the capacity for the outdoor area, the one we're in?
Basically, the outdoor capacity is roughly 50 person.
Oh.
How you can see is al fresco. It's a very good place where you can eat, you can enjoy with your friends, with your family.
Or with your special someone, right?
There you go.
Amazing place!
Thank you so much.
Why is it called Tony and Sergio?
They are two brothers from Italy, and they have this inspiration from the food. As they travel also to Spain, to Argentina, they like to combine these Italian and Spanish dishes. All fresh food, fresh ingredients. That's why they call Tony and Sergio. This is Sergio, this is Tony. You can see all the history that one they have. The history talk also about the restaurant, is past also. And they have very passion about the food, about the quality of the food. And they create this restaurant, authentic Italian restaurant.
Legit European ambience. Check! Kamusta naman kaya ang mga pinagmamalaki nilang dishes?
This is our pizza area, and the unique this our pizza. Which one is a long pizza, and you can find only here.
Yeah.
So basically, this is very unique for here. Plus, we have a good paella. I know the Filipino like paella.
Paella de la Casa. Food Explorers, ang ganda ng presentation nila. I'm super excited kasi this also reminds me of home. Way back in Zamboanga, my mom used to cook a lot of paellas. So, tikman natin to. Yung lasa ng rice na yung pagka-season sa kanya is perfect, hindi ganun kaalat. And also guys, yung mix ng seafoods, lasang-lasa mo eh. Yung lasa niya, hindi lang siya yung parang nasa surface. Well blended talaga siya. Pwede na ako mag-asawa. Charot. Napakahaba na pizza metro. O, di ba gusto natin yan? So, eto guys, hinati nila ito to 3 flavors. Ayan, eto may chicken, eto naman plainly mga cheese, and then eto may herbs and spice. I think this is basil. Cheesy siya. At ang sarap ng crust niya kasi, alam mo yung chewy, hindi dry. Perfect. Sarap. Etong pizza metro nila is actually inspired by the Italian flag. Yung tatlong hati niya is first, yung green part, which is pesto. Etong gitna niya is the white part, which is the 6 cheese. O, kala nyo 4 cheese lang. Dito, 6 cheese. Tsaka yung huli naman is the red, which is the pomodoro. Ayan. Susunod naman, na-try natin ang kanilang creamy baked risotto. Oh my! Cheesy, creamy, baked risotto. Buttery, hearty, masarap. In fairness, so sa mga mahilig sa rice dyan, pa rin, na ibe-bake, ay, bongga. Kuya, what is the meaning of this?
This pupula de chocolate man.
Oh, so chocolate po yung labas niya.
Yes, ma'am.
Tapos yung loob,
This is dum natin po na chocolate.
excited na akong tikman! Ang sarap. Best dessert ever, guys. So, parang may layer siya. So, bottom layer is yung kanilang moist chocolate cake. And then may mousse siya on top of it. Kaya sobrang light and fluffy. Tapos na-drizzlean pa ng caramel, which adds a bit of sweetness, which is so good, guys! As in... Sarap. Sunod namang dessert is a tiramisu. Oh my! Wow. Wow. Mga ka-food explorers, something unique that I found here sa Tony and Sergio is their Italian soda. I never knew na may Italian soda pala. Akala ko soda-soda lang, di ba? Pero meron pala. At iba't ibang flavor din siya. So, kakaiba. At eto na nga, eto yung flavor niya sa baba mixed with carbonated na drink. And then, meron tayong whipped cream sa itaas. And may tamang way din ng pag-inom nito. So, you can do it two ways. Ganito na, kung gusto mong mas sweet, may suspension sa baba. Or you can actually mix it. So, ako, imimix ko siya kasi ayoko ng sobrang sweet. Ayan. So, this is their peach Italian soda. Smackin'. Ang sarap. Creamy, vanilla, peachy na soda. Ganon yung lasa niya. Something na I know na magugustuhan nating mga Pilipino.